everyone, welcome to Simple Things. Make this Valentine's Day extra special with an extraordinary berry splash. This no-cook berry splash is for you if you want to make something special to your Valentine without much effort. It's so easy to make and looks and tastes divine. So this Valentine's Day, treat your loved one with something special, or treat yourself and have fun being single. First, let's make a fruit bowl. You can use any fruits that you like. Just cut it into small pieces. Next we need yogurt. I'm using plain yogurt, vanilla flavor. You can either use blueberry yogurt or strawberry yogurt, whatever it is. I'm going to use a plain one. Next I'm adding a teaspoon of blueberries preserve into one of the bowl. If you are using already blueberry flavored yogurt, you can skip this step. Next, to the next bowl I'm adding crushed strawberries. You can also use strawberry preserve instead of fresh strawberry. Next, I am adding 1 teaspoon condensed milk to both of the bowls. That you can adjust according to your how much sweetness you want. Next step is actually fun. We are going to layer whatever we have prepared. First, let's add some roasted oats. If you doesn't like it, you can entirely skip it. I'm using roasted one because it gives an extra added flavor to it. And then you can add cornflakes.